What's up, online shoppers? I was gifted this absolutely adorable non-slip splash pad from the company SplashEZ. And the great thing about this is it's not just for kids, it's for kids and dogs. Well, there is a lot of snow outside my house right now. I can certainly open this up and show it to you and then give you an update afterwards. But this is truly awesome. Now, I have purchased products from the SplashEZ brand before. I have the whole line of their mold-free bath toys, and I am so impressed with the quality of the company. I know this is going to be awesome. Now, the thing that's extra special about this particular one is that it is made for kids and dogs. So the construction of this is a lot sturdier than the one that's just made for kids, and that comes in the textured reinforced vinyl that they use, and it's super evident. Now, if you want to see what this looks like compared to the other splash pads, I will do a comparison of that you can see too. So here is the splash pad, and I want to point out one really cool thing about SplashEZ. They give you the instructions, but they also give you a warranty card for access to customer service, and that is pretty cool. Now, this is 69 inches in diameter, and that makes it an extra large non-slip splash pad. This one here has a really adorable print on the outside, and I just love it. Spread this out. For record, I have this stretch out. You can see size reference how big this is. I'm 5'6", and this is covering toes to chin on me. The great thing about this splash pad is that this surface here, listen, it is reinforced vinyl. It's super, super sturdy, so your dog's paws are not going to puncture this in any way. So inside here is your splash area where your puppies and your kitties can sit, play, and splash. Really nice and sturdy, claws aren't going to affect it. Now, the exterior part here, where you see all the cute print with dog paws and bones, this is going to get hooked up to a garden hose. Here is the connection. You are going to plug your garden hose right into this here, connect it, and turn on the water. It's going to fill this whole section that runs like a bumper all the way around the exterior of your splash pad. As this fills up, the tiny perforations and holes that are right here, I'll move it up close so you can see right there, those are going to be sprinklers, and water is going to come shooting out of those and eventually fill the pad. So you have a little place for your puppies and your little ones to splash and enjoy the water in the summer sun. And it's not going to be very deep because these are only about this high when they are fully inflated. This is an awesome splash pad. The company products from SplashEZ are always top shelf. They're an American-made company, and while I cannot put this up because, as you can see outside, there is a ton of snow in my backyard, like this deep, I am dreaming of summertime when I can plug this in and let my puppy and my kitties splash around in this. It is truly awesome. The construction is great. The seams are double reinforced, and it is a really neat toy for summertime fun. If you are looking for a great toy to consider for your pups and your little ones to enjoy the sun in a fun, splashy way, you've got to check out this extra large non-slip splash pad for dogs and kids by SplashEZ. I know this is going to be a family favorite at our house.